How to convert a string to UTF-8 in Python. I have a browser which sends UTF-8 characters to my Python server, but when I retrieve it from the query string, the encoding that Python returns is ASCII. How can I convert the plain string to UTF-8? Note, the string passed from the web is already UTF-8 encoded. I just want to make Python to treat it as UTF-8, not ASCII.
In Python 2. This is the difference between a byte string, plain underscore string, and a Unicode string. Converting to Unicode and specifying the encoding. In Python 3. All strings are Unicode. The Unicode function does not exist anymore. See answer from @Numenon.
If the methods above don't work, you can also tell Python to ignore portions of a string that it can't convert to UTF-8.
Might be a bit overkill, but when I work with ASCII and Unicode in same files, repeating decode can be a pain. This is what I use.
Adding the following line to the top of your Py file allows you to encode strings directly in your script, like this.